So take this question. Find the polynomial equation whose roots are the translates of those of the equation by -2. So first we will write, let f of x is the given equation. X power 4 minus 5x cube plus 7x square minus 17x plus 11 is equal to 0. Now here they are asking translates by -2, which means what is the required equation? Required equation is f of x plus 2 is equal to 0. So for this we will make use of synthetic division. So first we will take all the coefficients. So coefficient of x power 4 is 1, coefficient of x cube is -5, then 7, then -17 and then 11. Then we do by using synthetic division. So over here we should take -2. -2 was given, no? So here we should take +2. So first you take 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into 2 is 2. -5 plus 2 is -3. -3 into 2 is 6. 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 into 2 is 26. 26 minus 17 is 1 minute. -3 into 2 is -6. So this will become 1. 1 into 2 is 2. -17 plus 2 is -15. -15 into 2 is 30. 11 minus 30 is -19. Now take once again. Again you take 2. Take 0 over here. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into 2 is 2. -3 plus 2 is -1. -1 into 2 is -2. 1 minus 2 is -1. -1 into 2 is -2. This is -17. Here we have 2. This is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 into 2 is 2. Again you have 1 over here. Then again you take 2. Again 0 here. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into 2 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Now you see, start from here. This is A0. This is A1. This is A2. This is A3 and this is A4. So what is the required equation? Required equation is 1 A0 into x power 4. So 1 into x power 4 is x power 4. A1 into x cube. So 3x cube plus x square minus 17x minus 19 is equal to 0. This is the required equation. So take the next question. Find the polynomial equation whose roots are the translates of those of the equation by -3. So first let us write the given equation. Let f of x is equal to x power 5 minus 4x power 4 plus 3x square minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now the required equation is f of x plus 3 is equal to 0. So let us do it by synthetic division. So that is 1 minus 4. Then there is no x cube term. So we take a 0. 0, 3. And then minus 4 and 6. So we have to do it by 3 here. Take a 0 here. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into 3 is 3. Minus 4 plus 3 is -1. -1 into 3 is -3. 0 minus 3 is -3. -3 into 3 is -9. 3 minus 9 is -6. -6 into 3 is -18. -4 minus 18 is -22. -22 into 3 is -66. 6 minus 66 is -60. Next. Again we take 3. We take 0 over here. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into 3 is 3. Minus 1 plus 3 is 2. 2 into 3 is 6. Minus 3 plus 6 is 3. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 into 3 is 9. Minus 22 plus 9 is minus 13. Now take once again with 3. Take a 0 here. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into 3 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 into 3 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 into 3 is 54. 3 plus 54 is 57. Then once again we need to take 3. 0 here. 1. 1 3s are 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 into 3 is 24. So this is 42. Now once again we have to take, this is 0. This is 1. 1 3s are 3. This is 11. So this is A0. This 11 is A1. This is A2. This is A3. This is A4. And this is A5. So required equation is x power 5 plus 11x power 4 plus 42x cube plus 57x square minus 13x minus 60 is equal to 0. This is the equation. Now take the next question. Find the polynomial equation whose roots are the translates of the roots by 2. So first let us write the given equation. Given equation is f of x is equal to x power 4 minus x cube minus 10x square plus 4x plus 24 is equal to 0. Now what is the required equation? Required equation is f of x minus 2 is equal to 0. You have a plus here, so you get minus 2 here. If you have minus 2 here, you will get a plus 2 here. Always remember. Okay, now we will take this synthetic division. So you will get 1, 1 minus 10, 4, 24. Now take synthetic division and you have to do it by minus 2. So here you will get a 0. Now listen to me carefully. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 2 is 2. Minus 10 plus 2 is minus 8. Minus 8 into minus 2 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 into minus 2 is minus 40. 24 minus 40 is minus 16. Again you take this. Take minus 2 here. Again you take a 0 here. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 2 is 6. Minus 8 plus 6 is minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. 20 plus 4 is 24. Again you do once again. Here minus 2 and here 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. Minus 5 into minus 2 is 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. Again you have to take minus 2 here, 0 here. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7. This is A0. This is A1. This is A2. This is A3. This is A4. So required equation is 1 into x power 4 minus 7x cube plus 8x square plus 24x minus 16 is equal to 0. This is the required equation.